What's up, Cloakfiend here, and today I'm going to talk about the best way or the cleanest way to get a nice clean surface without any of that white residue on your resin prints. So basically what I've done was I've taken isopropyl alcohol, washed it in that, put it in water and then cured it for this one. For this one I put it in isopropyl alcohol, rummaged it around, sprayed it and then put it in the water and then put it out in the sun to dry. With this one here I have put it in the isopropyl alcohol, washed it, sprayed it, then used like an airbrush to like spray out all the little leftover bits, or you can use I guess you can use an air gun or a rattle can, and then just left it outside to dry. And then this one I've basically taken it out of the isopropyl alcohol, sprayed it with airbrush cleaner instead of rinsing it again in isopropyl alcohol, and then I've left it outside to dry. And I'm going to talk about, for me the best one's this one, the airbrush method. That for me is the cleanest method. I've done it on this one. It just gives me perfect results. I don't have any of that whiteness, so if that's what you're waiting for, the airbrush method is the best. And I'll post a method and I'll put a video of that at the end of this so you can see what I mean and how I do it. So first off, we're going to do some close-ups now. So this is method number one, literally in and out into the water. So isopropyl, shake it all about, take it out, put in some cleaner isopropyl, shake it out, and then put it into water and then in the sunlight. Now obviously someone said you're going to wait for the isopropyl alcohol to evaporate off before you put it in the water, but I'm kind of impatient and I can't do that, so that's what I get for that's my punishment. I get all this white residual crap in the middle, and you've probably seen that in quite a lot of models, this kind of whitening area. So yeah, that's just basically leftover particles from the dirty mixture you've been soaking it in, because let's face it, after you got a clean isopropyl pot, as soon as you put a print from resin in it, it's instantly cloudy. So my method kind of eliminates that. So that's the first one that I don't like to do, so I won't be doing that again. Now this is my second method here, where I sprayed the isopropyl alcohol after the wash, thinking that maybe if I spray it on with pressure it will just wash it all away, but it didn't work. So I basically went into the isopropyl alcohol, I shook it, then I took it out, rinsed it with clean isopropyl alcohol, and then I sprayed it with more clean isopropyl alcohol and then kind of put it in the water. Again, I didn't wait for it to dry, and this is what I got. The third and final method that I'm going to be using from now on is this one, which as you can see it's got the cleanest results as well. So what I done with this one was I put in isopropyl alcohol, washed it about a bit, then I took it out and I sprayed isopropyl alcohol all over it, forcing whatever residue off. And I guess if you want to be methodical about it, work from the top and work your way down. So I'm gonna and that's it. And then I got an airbrush like this. Just blowing the area with air, forcing the kind of isopropyl alcohol to kind of evaporate off and move out, and as a result it resulted in a really clean texture. You don't have any of that stuff in the gaps. And I'm going to be doing that from now on. It just works the best by far. And yeah, that's my go-to method now. I'm going to be spraying my models with air directly after they're out the isopropyl alcohol, so that after rinsing them again, so that I don't need to waste, I don't need to have a massive vat of isopropyl alcohol. I can literally just have one vat of isopropyl alcohol that can get as mucky as you want. Then I'm going to be rinsing that vat, rinse it in the vat, take it out, get a clean isopropyl alcohol, spray it all over, and then blow it all off with air. Done. And then leave it out in the sun, and it's all done. Now if you want this weird like shiny alternative texture, then you can use some airbrush cleaner by Spraycraft. It's amazing at cleaning airbrushes, by the way. And then after you've done your alcohol wash, your isopropyl washes, just give it a spray over with that. And what that does, it almost like creates this weird like shiny gel-like coating over it. But again, it almost like makes it, it's a weird matte. I mean, I still can't scratch it because normally when it's... No, I can scratch it. Normally when it's cured it doesn't scratch as easily. Maybe not. Anyway, it makes it kind of sticky. But my easy go-to method is it's going to be this one here. This one here. No whitening at all.